Hi, let's talk about how to use Actively Learn to promote literacy in your classroom and help students engage and interact with text. First thing you want to do is go to Actively Learn and log in. When you do, this workspace screen shows all of the work that you've created using Actively Learn. Next, you want to get the article that you want the students to read. We're going to use an internet article, but when you add content, you can add content from various sources. So you can select a grade level if you'd like, and a subject. We'll just do current events. A unit. You can also add, but we'll skip that part. So now here, this article about Logan Square, the neighborhood where I grew up in Chicago, is in my workspace. So if we go back to the actual article, you see all of the advertisements and a lot of things that could distract a student. What's a great feature about Actively Learn is it takes all of that extra distraction away and allows the student just to focus on the article. Here you can add directions. Here we're going to add a pre-reading question. It's going to be a short answer question, and the short answer question is, what's unique about your neighborhood? I'm not going to add a standard. So you can ask short you can ask short answer questions for pre-reading. You can also ask questions within the article. So what happens is when you highlight something, you get the option of what you can do with that. We're going to insert one more question, and we're going to ask, what is your neighborhood called? If I wanted to make this a multiple choice question, obviously you can enter the choices for the students to pick. I can also ask a poll question, but we're again going to answer another short answer. We're going to ask another short answer question and save it. One way to promote disciplinary literacy and not change the text based on the ability level, but use the same challenging text for everybody, is by highlighting a word and hitting define. So when you come across vocabulary you think might be a stumbling block for a reader, you can help them by defining things. Another great feature about Actively Learn is the fact that I can provide a little bit more information about the boulevards, for example. And so I'm going to insert a link, and as I grab the link to this map of the Chicago Boulevard system, I'm able to insert it, and the students, when they click on it, can bounce over to a map of the Boulevard system in a different tab. You can add links to videos, links to other articles, links to maps, links to music, links to whatever you'd like to help support the article. And what's another feature? Another feature is a cool one that you're able to white something out. And so what happens is at this point, when the students get to that point in the article, they're going to be asked to try to guess, or asked to provide you with what word has been whited out. This is another great way for to help students engage and interact with the text. The last thing that you're able to do, last thing we'll talk about, is inserting a note. And this is just basically a one-way conversation. This is something that you want to let the students know about this particular area of the text. There's no answer to be recorded by the students, but you're able to put your voice into this article. Thanks for watching, and good luck.